I wasn't really entertaining what she was doing. She was like, sir, what are you doing? What is that? And I just like totally ignored her. And then she was like handicapped. I don't know if she was like fake handicapped or what, but she was like getting closer. So I just left. Like I didn't want to put like another homeless person on camera talking and stuff like that. So I just moved and found another spot. Skaters were cool, you know. Yo, what's going on, guys? Damn, I forgot my mic. It's all good. Real quick, though, I don't know what we're really doing out here, but we're going to get these Burgundies done. We saw this, and it looked kind of inviting. Come on. We really can't use as much of the mural as we like because of these trash cans are in the way. And we probably could move them, but we're probably not going to do that. Grace Jones over there.
Oh, yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Classic stuff. We got
Batman. A fake Batman.
Where's Batman? Yeah, we got the Pride Batman over there. You know what I'm saying?
It is.
There's a little square box on me.
It's on your head.
My head.
Yep. You want to put on the shoes?
The kicks being shown?
Kicks are being shown. I just put them on the kicks.
Like, what is that stuff?
I do not know.
It looks like the stuff that's on the Titanic.
Yep.
Like, seriously.
It does.
Like, that's really weird.
Some kind of algae or something.
Let me know in the comments, what is this stuff? Should I touch it?
No.
Don't touch it? Oh.
Some good colors. The box is a little bit to the right of you. You want me to move the box over?
Just put it on my like calves or some shit.
Okay.
Is he bumping Darth Vader?
That spot looks nice with the color of your shorts.
That's why we wearing some goofy shit like that.
Yeah. And the little thing up there, the little bee.
This guy has a scrunch, right? Gotta be even scrunch.
Is there something funny in this shot?
No, not at all.
Is there something funny with it?
Not at all. That looks good. And then you got a little burgundy in the high left.
Okay. So now.
And the lips.
People say that he died at a certain point, and people are like, no, he's not. He's alive over here. But that's how the Ford symbol used to look. Not like that with that little curlicue. But if you go to this over here, see? They changed it.
Roll the dice.
Nah.
This.
I never rolled dice before in my life.
Oh, I didn't, dude. Nah, dude.
Yeah, we're getting the wall.
That's a beautiful artwork.
Man.
It's my Chicago in me.
I think that we're good out here. Parking's good. We still got like 5 hours left.
Yep.
Everything's good. Yeah. Peace, guys. I was like, where are my keys? They in the car. Let's see what we got. Woo! Man.
Crazy.
Okay, let's do this unboxing thing real quick. Kick the music on. And yes, these are the Burgundies. And I'm actually shocked that I got these when I did. And I'm actually shocked that they're bringing these back. It looks like they're going to bring these back August 12th of 2023 for $225. And if they're looking like this, they might just be worth it. Like the leather, the transitional leather, I can't stress it enough. It's definitely the highlight of the shoe. It's just amazing. Like they did a really good job. Shout out to Kicks for Days. And I will be trying to get this shoe mainly because I want to compare it to this one. Like this one looks so good in hand right now.
I'm wondering if it's going to be equivalent when these do drop on the 12th of August. And I know I tried to not sit here and just doing the transitional suede thing, but it's so hard to not do it when it's all over the shoe. I'm not even sure that the OGs that came out back in 2006 and 06 was such like my peak of sneaker collecting for me. That's when there was really no internet. I think it was just Nike Talk. But back in 06, that was the days of like the olives, the green beans, the lasers. These came out. I think even the Toro Bravo 5s are right around the corner. And I never got my hands on these. I actually thought this was like an LS color, but I don't think it is. But I will say, wearing them, it did require a break-in. I was actually a little surprised by that because 5s usually don't. They really have a nice insole, which we'll get here in like 2 seconds. But they were really, really snug on the feet. And I walked around the city, and I actually couldn't wait to take them off. I don't know if it's because of all the New Balances I've been wearing. I just got a pair of V4 990s yesterday, and oh my God. Video coming soon for all that stuff. But these look really, really good on feet. Like, there's no surprise. And I wish I would have rocked some gray socks. Like, I just grabbed some Jumpman socks because I was kind of a time crunch. So, yeah, gray socks. Maybe even like a light blue sock would have been cool with these. Yeah, but anyway, and we had a good time down there, too. We actually just spent most of the time just walking around. I did take some pics. I'll put those on IG. Make sure you follow me on IG for all the exclusive content. But I love the Burgundy 5s. I will try to get one. I'm more curious in the comparison more than owning these. And I'll probably, give these away or something like that. But I am going to try when these do drop. $225 is a little steep, though. I'm like, man. Like, now that I'm actually buying retail New Balance, it's around the same price, sometimes less. And with the newbies, I'm getting way more comfort. But that's neither here nor there. Let's look at these under the black light. And again, Kicks for Days. They are probably not going to have anything on them. I did see a little speck of, I don't know what that was, but it's pretty much, there's no leading lines or anything indicating that these were sloppily made. Everything has been crafted, you know how they do over there. But this is just an early look video. Just wanted to show you what these do look like on feet and what you may be getting on the 12th of August. So good luck to you guys, and I'm out. Peace. Take care. Make sure you like the video and subscribe and all that good stuff too. Follow me on IG.
That's pretty funny. So, damn, I can't remember what I was going to do.
Your left foot's in the box.
Okay, I can see that. This one's dope, though. As a matter of fact, let me get a little post up on it. Hold that for me. Hold. Right down the swing. Let me stand. Let me swag it up. Let me do my thing. Am I in there?
You're in there.
Shoes and all that.
Shoes and all that.
A little square box on me.
It's on your head.
My head.
Yep.